Hello kids, today we will learn the names of animals and birds. So let's start. It's a camel. It's a cat. It's a duck. It's a zebra. It's an elephant. It's a fox. It's a giraffe. It's a goat. It's a gorilla. It's a horse. It's a dog. It's a monkey. It's a lion. It's a dinosaur. It's a panda. It's a bear. It's a rabbit. It's a tiger. It's a wolf. It's a turtle. It's a kangaroo. It's a bee. It's a crow. It's a frog. It's a mouse. It's a pigeon. It's a rooster. It's a deer. Now it's time to pop the balloons of an animals and birds. So pop the balloon of a rabbit. Pop the balloon of a deer. Pop the balloon of a gorilla. Pop the balloon of a dinosaur. Pop the balloon of a cat. Pop the balloon of a giraffe. Pop the balloon of a wolf. Pop the balloon of a gorilla. Pop the balloon of a cat. Now it's time to collect the fishes for a walrus. Find out the fishes for the walrus. One. Good job. Two. Good job. Three. Good job. Four. Good job. Five. Good job. Walrus is the winner. Match the pictures. Camel. Cat. Deer. Zebra. Gorilla. Turtle. Elephant. Wolf. Lion. duck, giraffe, kangaroo, bear, turtle, kangaroo, camel, elephant, koala. Repeat the names again. Duck, cow, horse, donkey, goat, sheep, rooster, chicken, goose, turkey, peacock, dog, cat, rabbit, mouse, pigeon, sparrow. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe Kids Galaxy. Don't forget to subscribe Kids Galaxy. Thank you for watching.